The Ebonyi State government has resolved to move the Faculty of Medicine and Health Science of East University from its present location in Abakaliki to Uburu in Ohazara local government area of the state. This legacy project of the Governor Engineer David Umahi is described as the first of its kind in Nigeria. The project is set to be completed this year, which is 2021. Upon completion of the project, Ebonyi State University College of Medicine, unarguable, will be the best and the biggest college of medicine in Nigeria, with ultra-modern standard facilities to provide world-class healthcare. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you find this video very informative, and if you do, you already know what to do. Please share with your family and friends, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will see you when next I talk to you. Gordy.